Hi bro, today I will be using Kasih song lyrics in order to respond to my messages. I hope you like it and please let me know if you want a part 2. Peace. If you want this to happen, then make sure to support me by subscribing to my channel and sharing my videos. Thank you so much. Palat P. What? Em long bam sha mi shu mẹ. Kayo me le kam no. Home delivery lan. Bela kelas aku ni, ay lanya senrang. Ka lockdown kam long shu, sngubha mi no teng teng.
You leaving the house? You leaving? Why? Huh?
Jat corona fa.
Aki por bas ngausi ne haki por bat kemen.
Pala ada paitika.
Tikwa banlong brio ne tikwa banlong suy.
What?
Sisin balak thang wat mot pinwan phai biang.
Keep talking nonsense. Next plane will land at your house.
Are you recording? Recording? Camera?
Yeah, rolling.
Take 5. And action.
Baro ubreu badi mano bala ban len tangdei kapos ngau bha baro ngi maniaka.
What is this, Dawan?
Jali jali oh jado jado pitang shu ang layo.
Doesn't it go like that? No. I saw that.
Ngan lek dan hai ngan pani mei jong pi ngan long nga i sisha kong ya ikun jong pi lada i mei jong pi yang nga is ngam menti.
Raw bro. When it comes to cats.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Ngan pandai rek sendan sana upa jong pi.
LOL! So many DN stray dogs. Be careful.
ये क्या बात करता है यार? Une ude ubreu babha uwan ban pang nanga ukpa padai ban tre ya umenta hayas ngau.
So parody, I've heard. From some Kasih video.
Oh ngala yo 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 na ipa jong pi.
I got this as a gift last week. She wanted in on it.
Baro ubreu badi mano bala ban len.
What an odd response.
Rei tang la di kedang hang tapat lama kena.
I would love to see you di Kedang.
Shoo, mana kita lihat kita?
Just curious, lawai.
Ukun senrang imei, usu kelak rapai, namal kakian hau, kalong tekum itei. Shoo, mana kita lihat kita? Mana kita kumno?
Wow, lapalat susu tap.
Kumbadung nam sarang, rewala tidung kadonut jonga kampan.
That
Baik sini thầy, tetapi tengah em, kat kebapi kuangan idol. Usah jauh dengan ai, usah tiang dengan ai.
edit no P.
Kedut dengan ai, malay rongan ay. Tang bayang awan nom lekai.
Lalong gitu.
Don't say no.
This dawan lah biet Anna. You don't even drink. So I'm pretty sure you're not drunk. But are you high though?
Anshu bakla kaktin nak modla syakuran. Aning lanak oh kajing muja. Ngadai usok babang yang ngawat tulesang.
Guys, lihat kamu reschedule nak mah Syah September. Ka meeting. Nih hap lihat nak guys day out. Thanks lah bro.
Putkan biang bang bang bang.
Chili chicken lah bos. Daerah chili momo.
Harai jam kendang.
Kamu iuli kan ya?
Nan boleh jauh nam dai.
Bang lah syukran.
Si deweng permentanai. Pentalai kaporan kau.
Chat.
Sabun biam dus lapatau.
Karib kai.
Amoinan.
Ayeng ya kelanjut embos. Ciparib kai.
Bujang hari bujang. Di biam sin haklau ho.
Bat kaya sno kedai.
Bun wan jet saja pulau.
Mia kam kai palat li kui. Bro.
Kumbang along akmen ngam don daw ya kata.
Sweet dollar tea from McDonald's. Yep. I drank that. Me too. Super hot fire. I spit that.
Penuh. Kan dia itu ba marik dai. Also let me know li dah melak benda ni. Ngalih du mentah. Man kas ni man kapur. Asang seni satai.
Ni dia kedit dia lah bel. Kedit meh. Ale wasana minta.
Barbecue nak yang meh. Chal, leisure resort, pergi game lah satu dia.
Ale wasana minta. Ini saja let's move on.
Lah biang, banget haj. Nice bro. Up si bet.
Judo drinker men lada pim tip jingim kanam sha
wildcard lah bernews kan usian.
Suki pa suki pin sa boy shala katong.
Ya meh, ngabuk Greenwood tu meh.
We threw us in the air like paper planes.
Huh?
No one would crash soon after.
Let's say something.
No, not this time.
After all that's said and done, we're at the point of no return.
All girls dies in any place like the wild, because due to the men.
Is this what Usher meant when he was singing Let It Burn?
In the beginning, in the beginning.
Isn't this the same conversation why you didn't want to wait your turn? What's gone is gone, so don't be calling my phone with that familiar reminiscent tone.
Geli aku kan.
Aku itu benyanga, kakti ngam juga lah.
Hoi.
Anong kumpangan long nenda,
Shay.
And I've got somebody else who's close to my heart. And you've got somebody else you promised to love.
Okay. Thank you so much. Dawan, I think you've sent me the wrong text or what? Oh damn. Yes, bro. Amen. Yes, all good, Dawan. Sngi jengkemen belai. Jengrai kata.
Hey DJ, penhe kabis, penhe volume, mangisha, bila keren.
Oh, that one. Hey bro.
Kalong kumba pi medur.
Oi bro, ke bos?
Pinyo ya ka kajing shisha.
Heh? Ngam stua.
Pishim ya kata pipin ya ka ba kren sniu shapang jonga.
Ya ke ikan? Ngam stua. Munu bakan sniu pi. Jayu.
Soba wat bakla.
Ngam benar pi keren ya ke iru.
Ya kowe kajing shisha. Ngap jar.
Ngap jar ya ke? Kanila bro, si Joke Sky. Sorry ma. Ni temo.
Ais, temo.
Kau ngalah tension lah. Ted lah. Bang ngalah tension siapa bos mentan. Ngalah mood gol. Sorry my bro. Hai bro, ngai kublay piu pila pe kini ke video hado habaka bakut hakabagut. Dia kan mau ban like, ban share, ban subscribe, ban ngai kublay kumju ya baro gitu ki artis kibangan ai credits tawa damma wadang khlam ongai ap ngan ai credits baik gitu ki jengroi jong pi baro te gitu ki brio ki perlok jonga mga prank kublay sibun ma pi juba ki message jonga kublay sibun te nga kermen ma pi best ni video. And to all of my friends who don't understand Khasi, I was too lazy to add subtitles, but I really hope you enjoyed the video regardless, and please help me by sharing, subscribing and liking. So yeah guys, anyway, I'll see you until the next one. Peace.